If you've been searching sexual healing, let me gently reframe it for you. Sexual healing usually isn't about learning a new technique or trying to fix yourself. It's about rebuilding safety, confidence, and connection with your body, your emotions, and sometimes with a partner. Most of the time, when people say they want sexual healing, they're really talking about one of three things. First, healing shame. That quiet feeling of something is wrong with me, or I'm not normal, or I shouldn't want what I want. Second, healing anxiety. The pressure to perform, the overthinking, the fear of disappointing someone, the mind that won't slow down. Third, healing disconnection. Feeling numb, distant, not present, like you're there physically, but emotionally you're somewhere else. Here's the most important part. Real healing isn't forcing desire, it's creating the conditions where desire can return naturally. So let's make this practical in a simple, non-awkward way. Take a slow breath in and a longer breath out. Do that one more time. And ask yourself one small question. What would help me feel just 10% safer right now? Not 100%, not perfect, just 10%. Maybe it's going slower. Maybe it's a pause. Maybe it's clearer boundaries. Maybe it's reassurance. Maybe it's changing the setting. Maybe it's simply saying, "Can we take the pressure off?" Because the truth is, when your nervous system feels safe, your body opens up. When there's pressure, your body protects you. And that protection can look like anxiety, avoidance, numbness, or shutdown. Sexual healing is the process of turning pressure into safety and distance into connection. If you want, in the next video, I'll share a gentle, step-by-step way to start healing without pressure, especially if you've been stuck in your head or disconnected from your body.